Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. And in today's video, we are going to talk about cost management in Azure. Especially the cost management, I'm going to discuss about the Azure Analysis Service. As you know that, right, the last video I have created Azure Analysis Service and some of the resource groups and the subscription using my personal account where I used my credit card to create those resource group within the Azure Cube, and then I make the this video to explain how to deploy the on-premises cube tabular cube to Azure Analysis Service. For this video, I used some of the resources, right, under this resource group that I created. Within this resource group, I have created Azure Analysis Service. Then I use the same resources for my demo purpose. Okay, so I want to show that quickly how much it's costed me, and you can also see how the which day it's costed me more. I'll show you. Okay, I know I'm still working on the part 2, how to refresh the Azure Analysis Service connecting to the on-premises database, SQL database, but in between, creating this video will be helpful to the audience to understand the costing of the Azure Analysis Service. What is my impression is, if you create any resource group or any Azure service, and you can use it or you can learn it with cautious, okay, but you need to more careful what you enable the service and whether you disable that service or not after you complete your experiment. All these are very important. You make sure that you turn off the service. So even in my scenario, I created the Azure Analysis Service under my resource group. But after I prepare the video, I deleted the entire my analysis service. Okay, because I don't want to burn my wallet. That's the reason I dropped the Azure Analysis Service, and now I keep only the subscription and then my resource group, right? So how you can check the cost of costing for this particular resource group? You can click on that particular resource group. Usually under this resource group you'll have a many resources that are mapped. If you want to know that how this particular resource group is costing, you can go to the inside of this resource group and then click on the cost analysis. Once you click on the cost analysis, there will be dashboard, standard dashboard will get open, right? And you can see which day it's costed you and which is the day it's spiked up. All those details you can see here. You know that, right? I started created this particular demo video on I think 15th of March. That's where I created the Azure Analysis Service, and then I used a bit, and then for some of other experiment I continue to use that, and you can see here my usage utilization, right? And then you can see here the cost, everything. So to create that video, it's in Indian rupees, so 86 rupees it's costed. So that's pretty fine for me. And then you can see in the bottom which service is taking more cost, and you can see all those things here. Here I created Azure Analysis Service. That is the only one service I created so far. It's costing me. And also you can see the location wise. For example, you have a location wise resources, you can track that here. And also you can, if you have a multiple resource groups, you can check the resource group wise what is the cost. Okay, and also you can set the alerts, cost alerts, if at all anything. You can create your own cost alerts. Let's say you want to track your cost as soon as it's getting exceeded, right? Like $200 or $100, you can set those alerts here, right? And then I didn't test it whether these alerts are free or not, but what I did to track my cost, I simply installed Azure app in my mobile, right? So there is a Azure app. Under that app, so you can see here list of resource group. Then I every day morning, it's like my one day job. I know there are the no resource services are active now, but still I want to keep monitor these resource group, and every day morning it's like my job. I'll keep on monitoring my resource group, and then you can see what is the cost management so far, how much costed to using this particular resource group. So this is how I track my day-to-day expenses using the Azure uh, cloud. But again, you can create your own alerts, and also you can set the budget. So let's say every month you want to keep only 2000 rupees as your budget to do the experiment. You can set the budget. Okay, so that's how you can track and control your all costing. So I would say, yeah, for your experiment and for your learning purpose, you can go ahead and map your, personal credit card and start playing with these resources. But yeah, be cautious what you are playing, and before you start anything, any resources or any resource you want to use it, go and check the hourly wise cost. What is the hourly wise cost, right? For example, here I have analysis service. Now I want to create analysis service, right? If I want to do that, so when you click on create, right, so there will be window will come up, and here you can see here view full pricing details. So these are the tires that you have, pricing details tires, and then let me quickly create Dev Azure Cube. But yeah, again, so you can see here pricing calculator on the bottom right side. You can click on the pricing calculator, go here down, right? Okay, I think it's not coming yet, and you can click on pricing calculator here, and then go to your resources, particular resource. I explained same thing in my previous video, but just I'm giving one more time. I'm explaining here, but what I'm trying to tell you here is make sure that right before you activate any service, make sure that it's not going to cost too much. Okay, but by the way, some of the services, the Microsoft will give some free credits. For example, if you want to create a SQL database, right? So when you click on create SQL database, they will give some credits, free credits here. Okay, so you try to reuse those free credits, and but after that, if at all those free credits are completed, then they will start charging you from your credit card. Okay, so yeah, that's all for now in this video. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.